To our today's celebrations, whereby we are celebrating the National Sports Day, the first of its kind in Fiji in our history that we are going to celebrate sports. The heads here in the Western Division, Commissioner Western Division, and staff and the organizers celebrating this event. We are also celebrating other achievements and also the inter-ministry sports, and I hope and trust that all will enjoy themselves today. Yourself, I'm sorry. We are grateful our invitee that we
the representatives, our colleagues, our family members who are here, children. Yeah, it is indeed.
We have seen, this is evidence. It's a national covered survey. It's complications. It's not the initial disease. So
We have something for us today from the health department. Seeing that,
for our families, that it is a healthy diet for our families. I hope and pray that we will all enjoy the day today, and been dying. People who are still, in their
yeah.